Oh boy, do I love Christmas. I told Pop I wanted a new set of golf clubs. I told Winnie I wanted a big screen TV. I told Knothead and Splinter I wanted... Knothead and Splinter! I forgot to get them anything. Coming through! Made it with time to spare. Say, free gift wrapping? Well, jingle my bells.
Switching people's Christmas presents for rocks is the best scam I ever come up with, Tweaky.
But it's Christmas, boss. I'm sick of working so hard. The rocks are heavy. I got paper cuts.
We got us another customer, and it looks like a two-rock job.
Free gift wrapping, huh?
Yeah, like the saying goes, when you giveth, we taketh. Yeah, that's it.
Oh, please, Sandy. I want some ointment for all my cuts. I want my own assistant so I can bully someone around a lot.
Fa la 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 voila.
Say, what's with the rocks, paper, scissors switcheroo?
It's like this. Rock beats Woodpecker.
My gifts!
Oh, no! It's the abominating snowman!
Shut up and step on it. Tweaky, I'm going out for a ceremonial Christmas pizza. You count up all our loot.
Oh, but you can't go out, boss. We gotta get to bed so Santa Claus can come.
How many times I gotta tell you? We just stole people's Christmas gifts, so Santa ain't gonna visit us this Christmas or any other.
If Tweaky wants Santa, then Santa he shall get.
I hope Sandy doesn't mind this stocking smelling a lot.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Oh, Sandy! Sandy, it's really you! Oh, with a cherry nose and a white beard and a bowl full of jelly!
Just what the heck do you think you're... I mean, ho, ho, ho! What the heck are you still doing up, little Tweaky?
I was just going to bed, Sandy, but first...
No buts! Santa's got a lot of work to do.
For Christmas, I want a U.S. Mint soap for laundering money, a scholarship to the School of Hard Knocks, a gift certificate to...
Not if I'm not hitting Splinter's presents.
I want a file for breaking out the next time I'm in the pokey. I want an all-access skeleton key. I want a good solvent so none of my charges fit. I want a prison suit with vertical stripes because it says "Let me see." I want a buzzbuster. I want a laser-guided satellite. I want to have the power of flight. And I want to get out of jail free card. And I want a bumper sticker that says I break and enter. And I want a remote control getaway card. Oh, and gobs of lard.
Now I know why Santa only comes once a year.
I want a really fast getaway car and...
No.
Sandy, where's your sleigh with the 8 tiny reindeer?
Well, Oh, my goodness, you're right. I must have been... Sleigh Jack!
Oh, I told the boss his neighborhood wasn't so good.
Oh, Tweaky, whatever will Santa do?
I could steal a new sleigh. I'd even pull it for you.
But you're so small. Why, I bet you couldn't even move, say, this tiny sleigh.
Sure I could.
Tweaky, what are you doing?
I'm helping Santa Claus.
That ain't Santa Claus!
Yeah, says who?
This guy's trying to take our loot.
No, boss. He's really Santa Claus. And you said he wasn't gonna come.
Tweaky, goodness. If you stole all this stuff, we have to return it if Santa's going to give you anything at all for Christmas.
Don't listen to him, Tweaky. I'll give you anything you want for Christmas.
I want gifts from Santa Claus.
Yikes! Tweaky, stop!
No, no, no!
On buzzard, on conbird, on fleabag.
Tweaky, get back here! That's not Santa! When I get my hands on you, I'll make eggnog out of you!
Stolen gifts back to all their rightful owners. Merry Christmas, Knothead and Splinter!
What a cold Christmas this turned out to be, especially in the Arctic regions. One thing's for sure, Santa's got it made in the shade this year. The jolly old elf's toy delivery route will take him around the world, including stops in warm spots like the Bahamas, Saint-Tropez, and Bora Bora. Guess we'd all like to ride along with him this Christmas. Santa makes the list, but as head elf of this here workshop, it is my Christmas duty to check it twice. Naughty, naughty, nice. Why, looky here. Little Robbie gets a paddle ball. Eye-hand coordination never was my strong suit. The great thing about this toy is that it feels so good when you stop. I better get back to work if and I want to be Santa's exclusive ride-along helper this year. Now there, little fella. Santa's got a rule against peeking at presents before Christmas. Yup, I'm sorry, but you gotta make like you're under the mistletoe and kiss off. Huh?
Ouch!
I'm telling you for the last time, this here sack is not for peekers. I'm gonna send this penguin all the way to springtime.
Ow!
The holiday season is not the best time to take up running.
Oh, Smedley! Smedley! Smedley, where are you? Now, Smedley, there's no time to lay about on the job. There's work to be done. You need to finish up the gift list while I get ready for my midnight ride.
Aye, Mr. C. Right away, sir. I gotta work extra diligent like now so's I can get to ride along with Santa Claus. Doggy, check. Aw, ain't he cuter than a bug's ear? Ducky, check. Kinda reminds me of Aunt Mabel's Thanksgiving dinner. Not nearly enough stuffing. Penguin? Looks like I got me a misfit toy.
This is what we elves call an occupational hazard. You are hankering to be numero uno on Santa's naughty list, aren't you? This here is one finely crafted airplane. Yes, sir. With my attention to detail, Santa's sure to pick me as this year's ride-along elf helper. Usually it's the tree that gets trimmed, not the elf. Ding, ding, ding. I'll ground that penguin for sure. Whoa! I say, whoa! Uh-oh. In your face, penguin. My abashed apologies, sir.
Smedley, what have I told you about playing with the toys? They're for the good boys and girls. Now, please, get back to work.
If that little penguin thinks he's got the best of this elf, he's barking up the wrong chimney. So, he wants to get in this bag, does he? Well, the only sure way to stop a penguin is chemistry. If I whip me up here some super sticky glue, I'll trap him like a fly in molasses. Tree sap, icky goo, pus and stuff. Chewing gum. Nitroglycerin. Ooh.
Smedley, I want to thank you for all your hard work this Christmas, but you look so tired. Take the rest of the night off. Ho, 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 ho.
But I...
Ho, 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 ho.
Huh? Wait, Santa, wait! Make sure you give that chili nothing but coal for Christmas. Whoa! You hear me? Nothing but cold, hard coal.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Come on already. I gotta see Santa. Excuse me. Look out, please. Hey, kid, hurry home. Your mom's baking cookies. Hey, Santa, look, we're both busy guys, so here's what I want.
No fair! We've been waiting here since Thanksgiving. Yeah, no fair.
Woody Woodpecker? The one who lives in a tree house and goes, ha 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 ha.
Yeah, so?
Mr. Woodpecker, may I call you Woody? Our records show you've been more than a little self-centered this year. Therefore, we're thinking something along the lines of, well, coal this Christmas. Furthermore, because of bad behavior, we'll be repossessing your gifts for the past 5 years. Have a Merry Christmas!
Oh, it can't be. No Christmas gifts. What am I gonna do? I got it. If I videotape myself doing kind deeds, I'm sure to get right back on Santa's good list. Sometimes you gotta make good deeds happen. Well, 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 what do you know? Looks like my good friend Wally's fence is broken. I took this board off my own house. Ooh, now the cold wind whips through and chills me to the bone. But nothing is too much trouble for my pal Wally, especially at Christmas. Santa, the more I thought about it, the more I realized the real spirit of Christmas is not having any boundaries between neighbors. Santa, I make it my duty to clear Ms. Meanie's walkway whenever it snows. No way I'm hand shoveling that snow. Are you kidding me? It'd take all day.
Got a delivery from Miss Meanie.
Just a sec. Oh, a delivery, you say? Why, it's a good neighborly thing to care for your friends' packages when they aren't home.
Thanks, neighbor.
Don't mention it. Oh no, Miss Minnie's tree. Back, I say. Give me my tree, you maniac most maker. Oh no. Won't Miss Meanie be happy? She won't have to worry about recycling her tree after Christmas. You know, Santa, Wally just loves Christmas lights, so I thought I'd surprise him with these. Ooh. Oh, yeah, I'll have these back in a flash. Hey, what are friends for? Ta-da! Uh-oh. Fire! Oh, no! I burnt down Wally's house. No, this can't be.
Hi, remember me? We met earlier. Woof. This idea, it's not working for you.
But,
Woody, my friend, all you've done is try and look good so you can get more presents. And trust me, this doesn't make you look good.
no, Charlie, wait.
Take it up with the big guy. He'll be here in 5 minutes.
5 minutes? Woohoo! Good as new. Hey, Santa, over here. Hey, big guy, it's me, Woody.
Ho, 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 ho! Oh, pull out! Oh!
Santa!
You saved me. Woody?
I guess I kind of stuck my neck in where it didn't belong, Santa.
Ooh, but your heart was in the right place. That was the most selfless act of bravery I've ever seen. Ooh, you know, looks like I may have been wrong about you all year long. Have a Merry Christmas, Woody.
Wowie! Santa's the man! Tis the season to be jolly.
Anybody could get a flag and say Flag Day. The ancient Yuletide carols. You'll all see.
People know what I'm
Everybody
talking about.
dump on
There I
Wally.
was,
Dump
minding my
on
own
Wally,
business
huh?
when suddenly I ran into all these problems.